me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope.
Say hi to Jenny. How are you? I miss you. What is your name? Your name? You don't know your name? What is your name?
What's my name? No, Maria Labu in the game. Yeah, Emma, we keep on playing and then we have our names right.
Yeah.
What's your name in the game?
My name is Brittany. Hi guys. Nag-abot ang mga guys, kanin siya guys, muni siya kuan guys, naan siya car for well. Pero kailan kaya kami pasakin nito guys, pasakin. Kailan kaya pasakin?
Until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Why you didn't eat guys? Why you didn't eat? Are you full? You're not hungry? Hi! Happy birthday, Lilo!
2,000 years later.
Fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay.
So guys, ito kami ngayon. Kasi hindi yun nata. Dito. Tagalog ka pala. Ah, Bisaya kulay. Bisaya. Bisaya. So guys, nagawa siya ng kape. Itim-itim guys, gusto niya itim. Masarap ba yung itim? Masarap ba yung itim?
Milk, fresh from the tutoy sa baka.
Masarap ba yung itim? Ayoko ng itim.
Ducks daw. I hear the chismis.
Ayoko ng itim. Ayan, oh. Brown. Kasing kulay ng kulay ko. Kasing kulay ng balat ko, guys. Ayan. Ayaw mo magkape din. Eh, bakit tatlo lang?
Ayaw ko magkape mo.
Ang dami pang asukan.
Lirat ang mga tao ng ngayon at hindi na ako maka...
Wala, untay. Guys, hala. Ito mo na.
Bakap na nito.
What is your name? Where are you? Ganun, Ben. Ben, kakain ka ng fruit.
Ito, mag-slice na nga.
Only fruit? You want to eat fruit?
Okay?
Kagwapo man sa imong anak, be.
Kuha ng umahan, guys.
Alo, oy. Alo, oy. Pero layo na kay nawong ni mo, day.
Hindi na kayo. Gusto mo ka natin, ibuga ang kuhan. Kasi isa kuha ka. Nasaw-nasaw, mga good guys. Siya duga ispiso ba? Ispiso. Strawberry or grapefruit?
Be, ganun lahi man na sila.
Ay, nakikinig sa lamahan kay igat-igat ko dati.
Igaton man ka. Lahi silang tatawa, guys. Di ba? Lahi gud ilang nawong, guys.
Guys,
Wala pa din niya naliwat.
sa kuhan niya. Wala man ko nagdaon na mahalin.
Guys. What is your name?
Guys,
Lahi kay niyag nawong, guys. Wa pa din naliwat siyang bana.
Asaw lagi amo. Ba? Kani ako ani kadaruhan, pretty good ka kanang
Kugihan kay ka magdaro, oy. Balik ka niya lahi-lahi. Wala pa maliwat ni mo, day.
Tony, drinks.
Ang Tony, kalindot niya pangalan. Nindot kay pangalan niyang anak, guys.
Alex didn't give me a hug.
Nindot kay pangalan niyang anak, guys. Pero walang naliwat niya.
Ano man na siya, no? Kanak man na. Ano man na, guys?
Mura lagi na siya.
Dinadyo ko mo ba ito kung Pinoy, guys? Ang size ng butters. Kaya ganing ko na naugasan.
Natukan ko.
Size mo to, small. O, dara, kikita rin eh. Ito niya,
Natukan ko.
Eat and play.
Natukan ko, guys.
Speak English mo kayo dyan din, guys. Pinigyan ako nito, doon bilis sa'yo.
Ayaw ka niya, guys.
Bilis ka kayo po, guys.
Gwapa kayo ang mama niya.
I didn't see that there was no.
Diyos ko, lahi-lahi ang nawong, guys.
Foreigner ni sila, guys. Kasabot ang Bisaya.
Day, kaon maayo kay mo duty na po kaon niya.
Diyan, busog mo yan.
Kain, day. Wala na ba kay mama, day? Ay, sige, panganak. Mag-inyong carboreatic, day, para hindi ka mabuos.
Ayun, okay. Ikaw na lang. Ito sila kung di ko ako mahalin ko ito, guys. Ligo-ligo. Na-dream mo, happy yun. Ito, anong guwapa, ha?
Anong ipangalak mo kang gwapa, day?
Hindi na ako problema. Hindi mo na problema. Ako na problema kwanta. Ang problemahan. Ang galit. Kaya ay, natalit. Natulong yan. Ay, sorry. English kita.
spoken dollar mo gani ako.
Kanya ako ng tubig, ha?
Yung dollar.
Magdagalog ako, tapos mag-WhatsApp ka doon yun kasi baka may matalin. Bukit ko rin ba, papasok dito yung amo natin ko.
Sige, sige.
Init pagod siya, Lin. Mainit ka, tapos pag mapasok yung bibig ko.
Sige ba? Puni pa day. Puni pa day.
Binigit mo madalagin ako.
Huwag kang malungkot. Be, huwag kang malungkot. May paparating.
Pero basto siya pa rin.
Ay, wow. Yayamanin talaga yung friendship natin,
Ito
guys. Oy.
guys, may bodyguard ko siya pag umuwi ng Pinas. Ang daming gold niya. Tag 1 kilogram.
Huwag ka doon kasi mag-agaw buhay ka doon pag
Oo.
tagalin mo yan.
Ang daming
Kasi alam naman natin sa atin eh, mga loko-loko. Hindi, okay lang yan para say hi.
Kasi
Kali siya guys, baga ganyan siya guys, maubos o ibabaw.
Diet pa ako guys, kaya I drink Pepsi diet. Ano ba to? Ano lang yan? Parang ano lang yan? Ito yan, panos. Kapag dala tayo din, men, inalawan ka na rin ng umaga. Ang okay ng lasa.
Oh, bakit ka nag-diet? Ako ayoko mag-diet.
Kasi tunaw-tunaw ang mga ano nito.
Gusto ko nga mag-fat, magtaba. Paano ba magtaba?
Paano ba ako, Ben? Paano magtaba?
Oh, ito guys, problema din siya guys kasi hindi din siya magtaba. Ito guys, ito talaga guys, mabilis ito tumaba. Yung baba at saka
Mataba. Matambok siya guys. Huwag ko na lang ipakita ha.
tambok kayo guys yan. Tambok. Magpunga-punga. Nagpunga-punga yung afam niya guys.
Katulad ko ang tutunan guys.
Kalukuhan natin. Sa taas. Okay.
Alam niyo guys.
Butong sa taas.
Dito tayo magpundo. Kinain ang pizza.
Guys, hindi siya nakakain ng pizza,
Kasi guys,
guys.
akala ko ubos na. Kasi may nakita ko kanina, naghamal ng yun lang pa ako ni Bella ng aso guys.
Yun na, nagtikim si Bella, guys, yung aso.